This girl is making one of the biggest mistakes on YouTube. Her titles and thumbnails are killing her channel, but that's not the only problem she has. In this video, I'm going to show you all the mistakes she's making so that you don't make the same mistakes and that you can go and grow your channel and make more money from YouTube. Let's get into it. We're going to be going through Donze's channel, and then we're going to be scoring each part of her channel to see where the problems lie. All right. So if you're not familiar with this app, this is a custom app that I built. So it makes it easier to dissect people's channels and find out what they're doing good and what they're doing bad. You know, so on the right hand side, you'll see the scoring panel, and these are the areas that we go through. So channel banner, channel description, channel name, profile pictures, and then we have a look at the offers, the thumbnails, the video hooks, the video setups, first impressions, blah blah blah. So we go through every part of someone's channel to find out why they're not getting views and sales, and then they can fix it. You know, right? So let's get into it. So the first thing we can do is look at the channel banner. So here's some questions we need to ask. Does this banner convey a clear offer or value proposition? Is the banner professional and visually aligned with the channel's niche? So let's have a look. Does it convey? I'm not sure why she's made it so small. This white background is very distracting. You know, it should be at least the same color. You know, she's got a black banner here, so this white background should be black as well to blend it in. Being white is very off-putting, so she's going to lose a few points for that. So the first thing I noticed with this banner is there's lots of small text on it, which is going to be very hard to read on like mobile phones and stuff. So you don't need all this social media stuff, subscribe, you know, signatures. There's like 3 or 4 different photos going on. You just need to make it really simple with the headline, really, basically, and maybe a picture of your face or something. So she's got a good headline: transform your life with a certified personal trainer and nutritional coach. I would prefer to make this offer a lot stronger than this, because you want to make it about the viewer. So no one's waking up in the morning saying, I need a coach or something. They want to fix a problem. So you want to say like, lose 30 pounds in 30 days with this system, you know, or whatever. Make it more personable. So I'm going to rate her channel banner a 4, because she's on the right track. She just needs to remove a lot of clutter and make that offer stronger. So let's have a look at her channel description now. So I can already tell this channel description is well set up. She introduces herself. She tells you what she does. The offer is weak, so that's what's letting it down, but it's actually structured really nice and it's easy to read. So I especially like this on this channel. You'll find, so it tells the viewer exactly what they're going to get on the channel. I really love this part. And then down below it links to a free guide. I wonder whether let's have a quick look at where that goes. The page can't be reached, so I mean that's a bad start already, isn't it? So the link goes nowhere. So channel description, she gets high points for the way it's structured. The offer needs to be stronger, and also she needs to have a working website, because otherwise she's never going to make no money. So I'm going to give her a 6 for the channel description. Let's go and have a look at her channel name now. So I'm guessing that this is a real name, and there's nothing wrong with using your real names. It can be quite strong. So Donze Mosley, is it a real name? I reckon I'll give it an 8 out of 10, because people can remember that name. Let's have a look at the channel profile picture now. So it's very brightly colored. I would like it to be a little bit more zoomed in, because I think on a mobile that's going to be very hard to see. You just want to zoom into your face, really. Keep the color background, because that really works with the white. I'll give the channel profile picture a 9 out of 10. Now we're going to start looking at the offers. Does she have a clear offer for her channel? Let's have a look at one of her recent videos. She's done lots of shorts, and let's have a look. So I mean, she's talking about getting monetized on YouTube, but her channel is about fitness and weight loss, I thought, wasn't it? So transform your life with a certified personal trainer and nutritional coach. I mean, why are we making videos about getting monetized on YouTube? That doesn't align with our niche. That's not going to drive more people to our products and services, you know. So does she have a clear purpose and offer? No, I think it's really scattered. But there's no real links in her description either. I mean, you want to give the viewer 1 or 2 links to click on in the description. You don't want to put a subscribe in there. You don't need that at all. and you certainly don't want to be linking out to other social media in your description of your videos. You want to be driving the traffic straight to a website or a landing page, nothing else, nothing else. So it's not very clear. She needs a bit of work on the offer. I'm gonna give her a 3 for a clear purpose and offer. She started with a good offer, and then she's now moved it into creating videos about other stuff. Let's have a look at her thumbnails now. What do we think of the thumbnails? So here's some questions we need to ask. Are the thumbnails consistent in style, creating a recognizable brand pattern? Let's just do that one first. Let's just go back to all her videos. So in this one, she's got a bright red thumbnail, and then let's go to the next video, and then she's got a totally different color scheme there, and then this one again, totally different. So it's not creating a recognizable brand. So let's have a look at the second question. Do they create curiosity or promise a clear outcome? Let's have a look. So this one, how I got monetized fast. Okay, that's a clear outcome. That's pretty good. Let's have a look at another one. Small waist in 14 days, 30-day booty challenge. Yeah, okay. So she's passing on that section. Let's have a look at the last question. Are they readable on mobile with big text? Yeah, I believe so. But the thing that's letting her down is that she's all over the place, different color schemes, lots of stuff going on, emojis, you know, like who are we trying to attract here? You know, you really need to get clear and pick one style, one text format, because she's using different fonts, you know, different colors, different images. You know, she just needs to pick 1 or 2 fonts, 1 or 2 colors, and stick with that. So for her thumbnails, I'm going to give her a 4 because it's not great. It needs a lot of work, and thumbnails are super important to be getting views and titles. So let's just have a look at the titles. How to get monetized on YouTube, a small tutorial. So the titles are not too bad. All right. So let's have a look at the video intro, and let's have a look at the video hook and intro.
The internet is the easiest and the fastest way to make money. I told y'all that it's so simple. Nothing in this video that I told you so far was hard. Am I really that much?
What's going on here? Let's play that again because that was super confusing.
The internet is the easiest and the fastest way to make money.
So she's saying the internet is the easiest and fastest way to make money. But the video is about getting monetized on YouTube. So really you want to be using a hook that says, I got monetized as a small YouTuber in 2025. You know, you need to reinforce the title and the thumbnail. She's talking about something totally different. And then this is the worst part that comes after. Let's have a look again at the intro.
The internet is the easiest and the fastest way to make money. I told y'all that it's so simple. Nothing in this video that I told you so far was hard.
So she said nothing that I've told you in this video so far was hard. Well, we haven't watched anything yet because we're only 10 seconds in. So this intro is absolutely terrible. Now it's going to be made even worse by some animation stuff.
Hello, beautiful babies. Welcome.
Right, so we're 20 seconds into the intro and it's absolutely horrendous. This is why she's not getting views and why she's not making money from her channel, because it's just awful. She really needs, let's have a look at the instructions. Does the first 3 to 5 seconds grab attention and state the value? Does it create an open loop or curiosity gap that makes viewers want to stay? Does it avoid wasting time and unnecessary intros, logos, and fluff? She's failed on all parts. It's going to get a 1 out of 10. So now we're going to look at the video setup. So here's the things we need to look out for. Is the lighting professional? Is the background clean, intentional, and aligned with their brand or niche? Is the camera quality sharp and framed properly? Let's have a look to see through. So, I mean, in this intro, it's quite wild, isn't it? I mean, it looks like we're sitting on like a marble background with some really bright lights of either side. I think this is really overpowered. Let's just skim through the video and see if anything changes. So no, we're consistently staying with this horrible background. I mean, she needs to pick a niche. So obviously we know this video is about YouTube and her channel is about fitness and stuff. So she really needs to set up a room where it reflects a fitness environment, you know, have some weights or yoga mats in the background, you know, have some neutral colors. This is overpowering colors and it's destroying like the viewer's impression impression of the video. So it's gonna get a 1 from me. It's really bad. So now we're going to look at first impression. So does everything feel professional within the first 10 seconds? Audio, visual, energy. Do I immediately feel this person is credible and worth listening to? Is there anything distracting or amateur that reduces trust? Yeah, I think we've failed low on this one as well. So I mean, she speaks quite good, and the first impression is not good though. If I click on say for example a fitness thumbnail, I expect to see some sort of fitness related things. You know, she's got this bright white t-shirt with some big lettering. You know, we've got this picture in the background, we've got these bright lights on the side. It's just too overpowering. The first impression gets a 1 from me. So audience expectations, let's have a look at the rules for this one. Does the video content match what the thumbnail promised? Does the title accurately represent what the video delivered? Is the production quality aligned with the thumbnail and title? I mean, let's go back to the thumbnail. I mean, it's bright red. So does this align? If we click on this, does it align? Not really, you know, like we're switching colors from a red into a purple with a marble background. There's too much going on. So for me, it doesn't meet audience expectations. So that's a 1 as well. Now we're going to look at presenting. Is the presenter confident, energetic, engaging to watch? Do they speak clearly? And yeah, she speaks very well and she is engaging. She's just in a bad environment, which is making her score low. So I'm going to give her a 6 for presenting. Credibility. So what do we look at for credibility? Does the presenter demonstrate expertise through specific examples or results? Are there trust signals, credentials, case studies, personal stories? Do I believe this person can actually help me solve the problem? Not at the moment, no, because the background is really distracting. If she was in like a fitness studio or a gym, the credibility raises higher rather than just sitting against a marbled wall with bright lights. I mean, it damages her credibility. So she gets a 2 from me. So let's have a look at the final score she gets for this channel. And she gets a 38 out of 100. And this really reflects in when you look at all her videos and she's getting 100 views in the videos, you can see why, you know, but it wouldn't take a lot to start getting more views and more sales from her channel. So she needs to just improve the channel banners, the channel description. She just needs to work her way through this list and improve in every area. And then before you know it, she'll be getting 9s out of 10s, 10 out of 10s, and she'll start doing really well. So that was the audit, but you're going to want to watch this video right here where I break down another business channel and show them how to fix all the mistakes they're making, which is killing their views and sales. Probably mistakes that you're making too.